You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more names from science and medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. That's the name of a protein, a circulating protein found in plasma in particular. English pronunciation: albumin. Albumin. The stress is on the first syllable. Easy once you know albumin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.